Is your Audi infotainment screen black or not turning on? This is a common issue that can often be fixed quickly with the right approach. There are three main categories of causes: software glitches from incomplete updates or app conflicts, electrical issues like battery or alternator problems, and hardware failures in the display or control units. Start with the easiest fixes first. Try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the battery for 15 minutes. These simple steps resolve nearly half of all cases. Battery voltage is critical for infotainment system operation. The battery should maintain above 12.4 volts at rest and not drop below 11.8 volts under load. According to Audi technician Sarah Chen, 40% of infotainment issues are related to low battery voltage. Use a multimeter to test your battery voltage and compare it to this chart. A healthy 12-volt battery should show these voltage readings at different charge levels. Check the fuses related to your infotainment system. The most common culprits are F36 for the radio, F37 for the audio system, and F47 for the amplifier. Fuse locations vary by model, so check your owner's manual. Fuse replacement has a 78% success rate. If your car has been sitting in extreme heat, the infotainment system may have overheated. Simply let the system cool down for 15 to 30 minutes before trying to restart it. These immediate fixes resolve the majority of Audi infotainment black screen issues. Start with the simplest solutions first and work your way through the checklist systematically for the best results. When basic resets fail to resolve your Audi infotainment black screen, advanced diagnostic tools become essential. The VCDS or VAG-COM scanner is the professional standard for reading Audi error codes. Software updates are critical for system stability. If you have MIB3 infotainment system, ensure you're running version 1020 or later. These updates are typically available free at Audi dealerships and resolve many known issues. If software updates don't resolve the issue, professional diagnosis is recommended. Expect to pay between $150 and $300 for comprehensive diagnostic testing, which can identify hardware problems that require component replacement. Prevention is key to avoiding future infotainment problems. Monthly battery voltage checks are essential, as low voltage is a leading cause of system failures. Your battery should maintain at least 12.4 volts at rest. Regular fuse inspection is another critical prevention step. Key fuses to monitor include F36 for radio, F37 for amplifier, and F47 for infotainment power. Fuse replacement has a 78% success rate for resolving intermittent issues. According to automotive electronics specialist Dr. Michael Weber, 70% of Audi infotainment black screen issues are software-related and don't require hardware replacement. For owners of 2016 to 2020 models, consider extended warranty coverage due to higher failure rates in these model years.